Go.
We're back here today working on Project De-Creepin again. Last time we made a video, we were spraying the green. This is going to be the outline for the flames. So what we did is after we sprayed all the green, we went around and laid one more row of tape around that. Resprayed everything black. And now in between all the flames, we're going to do what they call true flames. So I'm going to start out with yellow first, and after I'm done with the yellow, we're going to spray a transparent green on top of it. It's going to make it look kind of a yellowy green when we're finished. So I'm just going to get started and show you a couple things. These are the stencils we use. Basically just random curves, contours. Try to use a different side every time, best you can, and it gives it the illusion of a real life flame. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on the hood here. You don't really have to go in any particular pattern. It's random. The more random, the better. Go with a different one for a little while, make some longer swoops.